How to do Spotlight text effect in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel, click on Titles, and drag a text plus in Timeline. With your text selected, open up Inspector panel. Type some text and adjust its style to your liking. Click on this button to open the text on the Fusion page. Select the template node and click on the ellipse mask to mask it. Adjust the size of the mask and set soft edge to 0.1. Move the mask to the left side of the text, and move the playhead to the start, then click on diamond button next to center to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 90 and drag center first value until the mask is positioned after the text. This will make another keyframe. To smoothen the animation, open up Spline panel and check the ellipse checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. At last, go back to the Edit page.